collaborative enhancement with smart views. So explore the benefits of utilizing smart views for enhanced collaboration within the team. So right now we have the option to share smart views internally. So this can foster better collaboration, right? You can facilitate access to essential data views for all your team members or the team members that you wish to share to. So smart views, I mean, we know that smart views will definitely boost our productivity, right? So how can we share that? That's the question here. Yes. So this is it. So what we'll do is we'll come to a workspace. So we do know that we have smart views under a lot of section, right? So let us simply go to customers maybe. Under customers, we have a bunch of customers with so much of data in it. And we have a dated view here. So what's the specialty about primary view? I mean, with all the views that we create, who can tell me what is a specialty about primary views? I mean, anything. Okay, primary views are default views. Absolutely. Primary views are default views. And any other specialty with primary views? It will always be public. Absolutely. So primary view is a default view provided to you under every module wherever you have access to smart views. And this will always be a public view, not a private one, a public one. Everybody will be able to see this. You can make further edits. You can change the name. You can add filters, temporary filters, permanent filters, all these kinds of things on primary views, but you won't be able to delete it. Now, sharing smart views. You won't be able to share public views. You will only be able to share private views. So one thing that we have to make sure uh, is that the view that you're about to share is a private view. So we can go to options, sorry, you can go to view settings and click on edit view, and you can see that this is a private view. All right. Now, let's do one thing. We'll create a new view. We'll create a new view. It's called B2B view. And we will add all these kinds of details and currency, assignee, state of birth, web address. I think all this is enough. We'll put a filter where the GSTIN is not empty or ends with starts with it's not empty, right? We'll keep it like this. And we have created a B2B view. So you can see that all the customers who has their GSTIN, which will be B2B customers, are present in this view. Now I want to share this view with a user. So how can I do it? So I can simply go to view settings and we have the option to share the view. So you can click on share the view and then you can select which user you want to share this with. So I'm going to select Tamare and I'm clicking on submit. Right. So the next question will be, how will this view get reflected under Tamare's workspace? So we will go there. So this is Tamare, and we have shared a smart view under customers with Tamare, which is called B2B view. So you can go to B2B view and you can see all the details here. Everything what I see will be shared to the next person, the next internal user, and whatever I see, that person will also get to see in the same format of the way in which the smart view has been created. Now here the speciality is that you can go to settings and you can see there is no share option for Tamari, which means that that person will not be able to share this view, and it is also shown as this is a shared view as well, right? So if you want to clone this, this is possible, right? If you want to clone this, this is possible. If you try to edit it, it will show that insufficient privilege to edit this view, as well as if you try to delete this, it will show insufficient permission to delete it. So let me just summarize what we can do here. We have introduced a feature in which you can share smart views. First point to notice is that smart view sharing is always restricted to the views in which it should be private. Public views cannot be shared. So primary view cannot be like a public view created cannot be shared. It has to be private. Even if it's shared, then the next person to whom it's shared to will not be able to share the view again. They won't be able to edit it. They won't be able to delete it. That's a specialty. Whatever the first person gets to see while creating the view will be the same view for the next person as well. This is the way in which the view has been created. All right. And it will be depending upon the permissions that the other person have, absolutely. But if the permissions are correctly placed, then the view will be same as well. So this is the way in which smart view sharing works.